everybody, welcome to my gardening channel. Today we're going to show you how to plant.
So first,
You have to get some soil and then fill the cup up to the very top.
and what are we planting today?
Today we're planting sunflowers.
Have you got any sunflowers you've already done that have grown? Where are they?
There and there.
That's enough.
And now you have to fill it up. And then open the seeds. And then do your fingers.
Now we don't need to put all of them in one pot, do we? We just need to put...
5. This is how big they are.
So what do you do?
Put your fingers and then put them in. And then you fill the gap up.
Good job.
You made the bee.
It's okay. He wants to see what you're planting. Good job. And then what do you do after that?
Mummy, don't, Mummy, don't, just do it for 1 second, what you forgot to do, okay? So they don't see me get all these cleaned up.
Okay.
How much more do I need?
I think you could put maybe 2 more. Clean them up after. It's okay. 2 more.
1. I'm going to do an extra one, Mummy. Today we're going to do an extra one as well. In the side.
And then?
Fill them up. Good thing I'm getting bored, Mummy. I'm going. When I get bored, I can use them.
Okay.
I'm just cleaning this up first.
Good boy.
I'm going to fill it up to a bit to the top. Now we're going to water the plant. And the other plant. Mummy? Mummy?
What?
Look over there.
What?
A dragonfly.
Oh.
Then can I go and say hello?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, it's gone. Did it?
It's gone.
Oh.
Come back later. That's enough. And then where do we have to put the plants?
So I don't forget. In the sun.